In this video, I'll show you how to send emails from a BASE44 app. First, open your web browser and go to the BASE44 website. Sign into your account and open the app where you want to add email functionality. Next, open the Builder chat and describe the email feature you want to add. Explain when emails should be sent, such as after a user registration, booking confirmation, password reset, or contact form submission. Now, ask BASE44 to create the email workflow for your app. Include details about the email content, recipients, triggers, and any information that should be included in the message. After that, configure the required email service or integration inside your app settings. Add the necessary connection details and make sure the email provider is properly connected. Next, test the email feature by performing the action that should trigger the message. Check that the email is sent correctly and that the content appears as expected. Finally, review your email settings, improve the templates if needed, and make sure your app can reliably send notifications to users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send emails from a BASE44 app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.